Almost a year has passed since our last mission broadened our horizons and brought us to outer space. But a new adventure awaits. A recent discovery is turning our reality upside down and questions everything we know. Welcome to a digital world beyond your imagination. This is the hyper-connected city of the future. Limitless, intelligent, but it's also threatened by an algorithm that went rogue, disrupting the daily flow of operations. We need you to dive deep into the code. Decrypt, encrypt, hack and unhack. We need you to unlock the city. It's time for Hacky Holidays 2022. Are you ready?